Welcome back. I said I was gonna make another video, and here I am. And actually, Bee Swarm Simulator. And guys, look at me. I look so fresh. Guys, go check out my cousin's video. His channel name is Nuke Drone. Yeah, guys, go check him out. A bacon is right there. Cuphead, shut up. Yeah, you can see I'm a very good player in Bee Swarm Simulator, and I just wanted to show you guys my stuff. Okay. Alright, so my cousin Joseph is like right here. Joseph, say hi.
Hi.
He sounded weird.
Boys.
Alright, so you see, you might be wondering, if Sniper, if you have almost all the bees, then why can't you use the red candy? Yeah, because I have 21 bee types and nearly 22 bee types. I wish that update was gone. So yeah, guys, right here, look how much stuff I have. Like 2 legendaries, Demon Bee, and the Baby Bee. I wish I could use the Unicorn, but I can't. Oh yeah, guys, so clearly, yeah. So I'm actually doing a quest right now. I just finished my quest of getting the diamond egg. So yeah, I got the BBB. If you go over here, you can see the BBB and. All right. So yeah, my cousin said I could join him right now. So yeah, I'm gonna join him right now and. Okay, so we'll see you guys later.